Hello composers, Mike here, and you are about to go on a new learning adventure. Your destination for this journey is to learn the secrets of how to compose epic cinematic music. You will learn the foundations of epic music, the sounds of epic music, and the guidelines of epic music. You will get live demonstrations, practical examples, and practice assignments. And in the end, you will be able to compose an epic music track in the style you choose. From powerful battle music, to angelic and divine music, to dark evil boss music, or perhaps mighty heroic music. My name is Mike, and I am a composer just like you. I started making music back in 1998, and I love to educate, motivate, and inspire creative people like yourself. Now take action and start your journey to master epic music composition. Let's begin your adventure right now.